Hi, today let's make tasty lychee soufflé recipe, for which in a bowl you need to take in some gelatin, add in cold water and then give it a good mix and let it rest for 5 minutes. There it will get bloomed. While it's blooming, now in a pot I'm adding in milk. Once the milk is added, I'm adding in fresh cream as well, and then mix the fresh cream and milk together. Give it a good mix, and while this is mixed, now I'm adding in sugar. Once the sugar is added, give it a good mix till the sugar dissolves. While the sugar is dissolving, here I've taken lychees, de-seeded it, and I'll chop it into small pieces and keep it aside. Now I'm adding in the bloom gelatin into the milk mixture. Give it a good mix. Now I'll be adding in chopped lychees as well and give it a good mix. Now the milk doesn't need to boil. You just need to see to that the gelatin has dissolved completely. Once you feel that the gelatin has dissolved completely, you can just touch and you can feel if it's not that coarse mixture. If you don't find it, that's when you feel that the gelatin has dissolved completely. Now you can take the serving dish or serving bowl of your choice, add in the lychee souffle into it and let it rest in the fridge for at least 3 to 4 hours. You can put it in small bowls or big bowls, completely your choice. Now once it's rested, as I said, put it in the fridge. It will take 3 to 4 hours, and this is the end part of your lychee souffle. Our lychee souffle is ready. It's soft, spongy and beautifully ready. Now just before serving, I'll just add in some chopped fresh lychees on top and I'd like to serve. Please note the measurement and the ingredients are on the screen above. Please do try this recipe. It's a lychee season. Please do try this and let me know your feedback on the comments below. This is a different kind of dessert. You would have tried different ones. Try this. If you like my recipe, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.